Hi, I'm Ellie from Clumhouse. We're a bag making studio and pattern and kit line out of Portland, Oregon. I'm really excited because we're going to make the Slabtown Backpack in a 2-day intensive workshop, and you're going to end with this badass bag. One of the reasons I love the Slabtown is it's so versatile. Like, you can go hiking with it, you can bike around town with it, and it's so good for traveling because it has this quick zip pocket that you can get to the interior, but it also has this roll top. I mean, honestly, it's so dynamic and it's so fun to make. So we're going to be doing this workshop on Zoom online. It's going to be a combination of pre-recorded videos and live interactions with me to get all your questions answered. So don't worry about falling behind in class. Like, I know that that's a thing and people get really anxious about it, but I'm going to be showing you how to make a step and then giving you time to make it. So I'm going to make alongside you. And since it's 2 days long, you have that overnight period to catch up with anything. And you also have access to the pre-recorded Slabtown online class. We're gonna set rivets, we're gonna learn how to set line 24 snaps, you're gonna learn how to work with rugged materials like waxed canvas, we're gonna do a pleated pocket set in 2 zippers, glue on felt, and in the end you're gonna have this badass bag that you made with your own 2 hands from start to finish. I'm gonna guarantee that you will definitely finish this bag. There are 2 options for joining us for this weekend intensive. You can do the works, which is signing up for the class and buying the full kit in a variety of colors of your choosing. Or you can just buy the class and bring all your own materials. So if you're thinking about joining us and you're just not quite sure if your skills are up to snuff, the best way to set you up for success is just buy a full kit. It comes with all the leather, hardware, and fabric pre-cut and ready to assemble. So I know the Slabtown Backpack can totally look intimidating, but when you take the class with me, I'm there supporting you every step of the way. I love teaching people, and all of my students always finish, and we have fun while doing it. The most common question I get asked about at workshops is, oh, can my machine do this? And I really think that people think they need an industrial sewing machine to make this bag, but you don't. Your sewing machine can do this. You can make this on a home machine that you got at the thrift store. I'm really excited to be teaching this workshop because after a 1.5 years of being on pause with in-person workshops because of COVID, I'm just really feeling like I want to teach some people. Like, I just get so energized from that student interaction and sharing my skills. And honestly, like, it's so beautiful to watch you all have those aha moments and see your bag progress. And it's just fun to interact and hang out and make stuff together. And I'm excited for that.